Yeah, right.
Blue.
Jake Blue.
Jake, thank you.
Pow Wrench.
We're ready. Right on the set. This is Splash.
Yeah, and the interesting board here.
Yeah. So we got a family tree here.
Oh, yeah.
Family tree Pow Wrench. Can you see where have any idea how the name?
Little open-ended box wrench.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. So,
Yep.
all right, we'll do that again.
20 millimeter open-ended box wrench.
Whoa! We got Jake Blue on the base with the family tree logo die cut in there. Classic. Really cool kind of two-tone swirl matte graphic on the top sheet.
Little marbled accent, I feel like.
I like that.
Yep.
I like that.
What do we got here? We definitely have a rad shape, but directional, clearly. 20 millimeters of taper. This thing will sink. The tail will sink. The nose will float. Flat top. This is an all-mountain surfboard that absolutely performs a little bit better in softer snow. Exploded size run, 42 to 58. Me at 200 pounds, I do default at the 52. Again, soft, playful, but very specific performer in softer snow.
Yeah. You nailed it. This board's amazing. It's gorgeous. I want to go ride some POW in it.
Ooh, me too.